Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make a combat system in Roblox Studio. So go ahead and open your Roblox Studio and we'll be choosing a template, the base template. And right here you're going to go over to View and then select Toolbox to make sure that your toolbox is showing. The toolbox is located on the left side of your screen when it pops up. Then you're going to search for a weapon you'd like to use. It could be a sword or a stick. The next thing you'll need to do is to put the weapon in the starter pack. You can do this by clicking on it or double clicking on it. And when you do that, a notification will pop up asking you if you'd like to have it in the starter pack. Say OK or confirm it. The next thing we'll need to do is to insert a script. So go over to your weapon in the Explorer window and then click on the plus icon and select script. Now this will bring up the script window and you'll be pasting a code which we'll be leaving in the description of this video. Now while your script is open, you still need to look over to your right side where you have the Explorer and make sure that your weapon has a part named handle. This is the part of the weapon that will detect hits. And now while you're looking at the script, you can see the damage amount. You can change the 10 in the humanoid hit token damage from 10 to another number. You could make it more or less depending on how much damage you want to have on the character. Now, of course, you can choose to make an animation, but for this tutorial, we'll just go straight ahead and test our combat system. So click on the play button to have your test start, and then you could click on the screen to swing your weapon. Now, as you can see, the weapon is swinging, and now our combat system is active. If you come across any character when the sword is swiped, you can go ahead and add more weapons in your combat system. And if you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.